What's going on, everyone? Shax59 here. It's hot as heck out here. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Okay, so today we are starting on the very secret project that I've been talking about for a while, and it is the tortoise build. As you see in the thumbnail, as you see in the title, and probably in the description, we are building my habitat for my baby Russian tortoise that I'm going to be getting at the end of August. So that's basically that's what this is going to be. Gonna get this open here. We got some stuff from chewy.com, hashtag not sponsored, but I totally want to be, for the tortoise. Now, I'm going to be talking about it. Tank heater, just the general cost of the build and just everything that we got, and basically what you need. The actual care video for the Russian tortoise is going to be coming sometime later, but right now let's just look at what we got. So it's all nice and packaged. So we have this is all Zoom Ed as far as I understand. This is a 30 to 40 gallon tank size heater, and yeah, not sponsored. Totally wish I was though. Zoom Ed, hit me up. This was the most expensive thing, honestly, in this whole entire build. This was a lot. This is why they invented knives. This was the most expensive thing in the whole entire purchase of this whole entire build. This is the Zoom Ed 100 watt Power Sun UV. So pretty much what this does is this provides both UVB, it may provide some UVA, although I'm not really sure it does that, but it does definitely provide UVB and heat. So it's a 2-in-1 bulb, UVB, and someone wants to mow their lawn right now. And the last thing is this. Ooh, a little bit bigger than I thought it was gonna be. But hey, it does have a tortoise on it. It is meant for height, so that's good. It's definitely good. We can adjust it, and this is something that we'll be able to carry over when we actually end up making the tortoise table, because this is not the last build we're going to be doing for this tortoise. There's going to be another build of the actual tortoise table. That's going to be a lot of fun. But this, get off my camera, fly. This is a lampstand, basically. This is going to hold the dome that holds this bulb that's going to provide UVB and heat for the tortoise. So we've got all this stuff unpacked. Let's go ahead and get into the actual cutting and whatnot and drilling and all that of the enclosure. Hope you guys enjoy it. Say hey to my editor, by the way.
Hi, editor!
Alright.
Oh man, we had all kinds of cool wicked zigzags and everything.
Man, we could have been doing zigzags.
If you want to turn me on, play your horn, don't spare the tone, and blow a little soul into the tune. Let's take it to another key, modulate and wait for me. I'll take a few and leaves in pretty soon. The other cats will all commence, congregating on the fence.
Gorgeous!
Yeah.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Where every note is Catch the only cat who knows where it's at. Catch the only cat. Catch the only cat. Catch the only cat. Catch the only. Catch the only. Catch the only cat. Catch the only cat. Catch the only cat who knows where it's at. Nobody wants to be a cat. Catch the only cat. Catch the only. Catch the only. Catch the only. Catch the only. Catch the only cat who knows where it's at. Catch the only cat. Catch the only cat. Catch the only cat. Catch the only. Catch the only. Catch the only cat. Catch the only cat. Catch the only cat who knows where it's at.
Alright, so it's a week later. I've gotten quite a few things done. I didn't really film a whole lot of it because of not having everything in and it just having horrible camera angles, because as you can see, it's kind of at a really weird spot and it's really hard to get like the camera there. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take a look at the tortoise enclosure so far. Alright, so we got the doors being doors, you know, just doing door things. We got the heat mat over here, heating up. So just to check how hot it gets, in there is her main hide. It's gonna be her HHH, or hot humid hide. So we got that. We got her water bowl over here, and over here we have another hide that's very skillfully hidden, if I may say. So pretty much you come in, right? Come around, and boom. Right down in there, she's got another little hide right in there. Super excited. So under all the dirt and rocks right here is actually her feeding slab, feeding slate rather. Oh my gosh, the cat sees a squirrel. Anyways, so this is roughly the size of her. This is roughly gonna be as big as she is. She may be a little bit bigger, she may be a tad bit smaller, but if you see the picture right, actually, you know what, no, we're not gonna do that. So yeah, she may be a little bit bigger. This is roughly the size. In the pictures that I saw, this is roughly gonna be about as big as she is, which is funny because this was given to me by a friend months before I even started looking into getting a tortoise. So, well, I've been wanting a tortoise since I was like 6, but before I actually legitimately started shopping for a breeder and trying to find a breeder, this was given to me, so it's just kind of funny that I have this and can use it as a size comparison. So check this out. Okay, so there we go. That's roughly gonna be her size. She's gonna roughly be about that big. And if you think that's kind of small, it's not. They grow like stupid slow. So yeah, that's roughly gonna be her size, and then that'll be her hide over here, and then she can come over there and go down in there. I'm not gonna put them down because I really don't want to get dirt all over them. But yeah, this is here it is. Here is the enclosure. So I know that I probably already said so when I did the unboxing of all the stuff from Chewy. I don't remember, it was a week ago. But this is it. This is the big thing. This is the setup for my Russian or Horsfield tortoise. This is it. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be getting her as of today, which is, what is today? July 28th, I think. Yeah, cause Monday's the 30th and tomorrow's Sunday. Yeah, so July 28th, as of right now, it is approximately 3.5-ish weeks, 2.5, 3 weeks from when I'm getting here, because I'm getting around the second to last week of August, and I'm ready. Why do I have this set up so soon, you say? Well, I'm gonna sneeze. Okay, I didn't sneeze. Well, it's always good to make sure you have the enclosure set up and ready to go at least 3 weeks before you get the reptile to make sure that everything works. Not something I've always put into practice, but do as I say, not as I do. I was gonna say something and I totally forgot what it was. But yeah, so pretty much the breeder was like, hey, get everything together, make sure that it's running in at least 2 to 3 weeks before we ship out the tortoise. You know, I want to have pictures and everything to make sure that you do have what you're supposed to have. So I've got it. It's here. We're good. It's glorious. I'm actually really happy with it. It's ugly as all hell, but it is my first attempt at doing something like this, like really making a DIY enclosure, so I'm really happy with it. I think it's turned out really well, and it's not even done yet. I gotta get all the stuff inside the hide, and I gotta make sure the heat lamp thing is doing what it's supposed to do, which so far it's doing pretty good. I gotta get the freaking humidifier up and running, so yeah. But yeah, so I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Thank you so very much. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was kind of long, so I know this wasn't really video game related, but this should catch your fancy. This is Daisy. Is she not just the cutest little flip-flapping thing you ever did see? She was named after Daisy Johnson from Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D., also known as Quake. And that's kind of video game related, yeah? That's nerd. That's nerdish. It's nerd stuff. But yeah, this is Daisy. I'm so excited to have her, make her a part of the family. And oh my goodness gracious, I get like picture updates like twice a week from the breeder, and she's getting so big, and I'm so excited. And yeah, this is a big deal. This is a really big step. I've wanted a turtle or a tortoise since I was a little bitty kid, and it's finally happening. It's finally happening. I'm so excited. I'm so happy that I've gotten to this point in my life that I can do this. This is really a dream come true. This is amazing. I can't believe this is happening. Oh wow. This is really surreal now that I'm making this video and actually like saying this. Like I knew I was getting her, but actually like saying this now, like I'm getting a tortoise. I know this seems kind of probably really trivial to a lot of you. You're just like, okay, well, big deal, it's a tortoise. But the thing is though, is that this has been a dream of mine since I was a little kid. Like a little bitty kid, I've wanted some type of a turtle or a tortoise or something. I've always wanted one, and now I'm getting one. I'm finally getting one. If I could go back and tell my kid self to just hang in there a little bit longer, I would. This is amazing. This is the ugliest damn setup I've ever seen in my life. Alright, well, thank you everyone so much for watching. There are going to be more video game related videos coming out, so just hang on. But I'd like to thank you all so much. I hope you all have a blessed rest of your day. If you'd like to get more pictures about Daisy or get updated on Daisy more, you can come and hang out in my Discord. Or if you want to talk more about video game related stuff, you can also come hang out in my Discord. The link's going to be down below. Go check out my editor who edited this video, because it's not edited yet in the time of me saying this, but I already know you're going to make something amazing, Lamond. So please, go check out Lamond's Corner. The link's going to be down in the description below, and at the, well, I can't put links at the, can I put links in the end card? Yeah, the link's going to be in the end card as well for his channel, so please go do that. He's absolutely amazing editor. He's done. I already know that you're going to do a great job on this video, so y'all have a blessed day. Thanks so much for hanging out, and yeah, shacks out.